In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal.me link 2026 step-by-step guide. If you want a simple way for people to send you money online, a PayPal.me link can make the process much faster and easier. Instead of giving out extra personal details, you can share one clean payment link that people can open and use right away. To get started, head over to the PayPal.me website. This is the page where PayPal lets you create your personal payment link. Make sure you're on the official PayPal site before continuing, since you'll be signing into your account. Once you're there, click the button that says Create your PayPal.me link. After that, log into your existing PayPal account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one first and then continue with the setup. It only takes a few moments, and once you're signed in, you'll be ready to customize your link. Next, choose your PayPal.me link. This is the unique handle that becomes part of your payment URL, so it's a good idea to pick something simple, professional, and easy to remember. If you're using PayPal for personal payments, you might choose a name that people already know you by. If it's for business, using your brand name can help keep things consistent. Type in the handle you want, check that it's available, and then click Grab this link. After that, personalize your profile. You can upload a profile picture or a business logo, choose a background color theme, and add a short description. This step helps people recognize that they're sending money to the right person or business. A clear photo or logo can also make your payment page look more trustworthy and polished, especially if you plan to share it with clients or customers. Once everything looks good, click Share Your Link. From there, you can send it through messaging apps, email, or text, depending on what works best for you. The nice thing about a PayPal.me link is that people can simply tap it and send money without needing your private contact details. Before you start sharing it widely, it's a smart idea to review your page one last time to make sure the link, image, and description all look correct. A clean setup makes the payment experience smoother for everyone. And that's it. You've successfully created your PayPal.me link, and now you have a quick, convenient way to get paid online.